Hey, yo, can you help me to lift up my car? Hey, I have a problem with this Prius. The cargo, when I'm going into a hill, is touching that part. So what I'm doing is installing one of those airbags inside of the spring. So it's cheaper than replacing all the suspension and everything. So it's quick and easy and very cheap. For less than $100, you can have it done. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the same thing. In my case, because I use this car as a cargo van, I have a cargo van, but they use a lot of gas. So I'm giving it a try to use my Prius instead and save some money in gas. Okay, as you can see here we have the Firestone, the coil rite. So you have to install this inside of the sprint. So I'm going to show you a little bit so that way you can see how it goes. So basically this is the airbag, this is the like a balloon. There you have the valve to put the air in, and that's it. I mean, it's very easy. Now I'm going to show you inside of my car. So now we are going to use one of those compressors, or I don't know how you call them, you know, those tools to compress the spring, and then we are going to put those airbags inside. I don't know why they have those marks, the yellow and the red one. If you know, please let me know in the section below. So now we are going to tighten it up. We are going to try to use a wrench. I was thinking to use one of those drills, but it doesn't fit right. So the only way is just to do it the way I'm saying, just manually. That's it. Now with the wrench, as you can see, we're going to compress it, and we're going to insert the balloon or the airbag from the top. Alright, we have some space on the top side, and we're going to work from there. As you can see, I know it's a little bit difficult to record this, but you know, little by little, there you go. It's going. Now once it's like almost halfway, or what you can do is just try to untighten the tool that I was mentioned before. It should fit. Just make sure don't pierce it with anything, otherwise you will have to buy a new one. But basically it's with a little bit of patience, pushing, and that's it. So it took about 45 minutes, and it was kind of easy. So I paid the mechanic. I was recording meanwhile the guy was working on this. I never done it before. He did. So I was saying, okay, I'm going to record it so for everyone to see, because I couldn't find any other video on YouTube teaching how to install this. Otherwise, if I have to do it again for any other car, I can do it myself. It should be easy. I think even if you can lift it up a little bit, or maybe you can rent one of those tools to compress the thing, the spring, it should be okay. So now, as you can see, it's perfectly in. Now we have to put the rubber base on the bottom. That's it. So that way you can run the hose that I'm going to show you in a little bit. So as you can see, it looks great. Sorry for the light, but as you can see now, the only thing that you have to do is just push in the hose that comes with it. I mean, the hose is like very large, But here you can put it, on the side. It will not touch the tire at all. So I've been using this for a few months now. Now that I decided, okay, I have to finish doing this video, but as you can see, just run it through the hole. The mechanic just cut the right length. You have to put that piece of plastic that comes with it. Now he's going to run it inside, as you can see, and just finishing, organizing or putting it in its place. Now he will use maybe some zip ties to put the valve on the side. As you can see, where he's going to make a hole, he's making a hole, so that way he can run the valve from inside. There you go. Small hole, just put the nut, put it back in, and very easy. The only thing that you have to make sure is don't overinflate it, otherwise it may blow up. So just only 30, that is enough. As you can see, it looks great. Just the nut, as you can see. And there you go. Just like I said before, it's some zip ties. Now the same thing in the other side. The shame with this type of thing is that they're not that powerful, at least for, I mean, if you have a cargo van, I couldn't find any of these. Here is the pressure, so pause the video if you have any question. For passenger cars, 5 to 30. Half-ton vehicles, I think it was 25 to 30 or something like that. You can go back to the video, but usually no more than 30. If you want to be super safe, just 25. At least in my case, I'm going to try to add a few more rubbers. I've been using rubber bands or maybe a circle. But I'll make maybe a video in another time, because I need, even with everything that I have done, it was not enough. That is 25, the pressure. So I hope this video was useful. If you have any question, all the links to buy everything in the video description as usual. See you next time. Bye.